हेलो डेवलपर्स, वेलकम टू द वीडियो। सो दिवाली ब्रेक के बाद वापस स्टार्ट करते हैं। वी हैव डन आई थिंक 17 डेज़ की स्ट्रिक की थी हमने इन अक्टूबर, एंड आफ्टर दिवाली ब्रेक कंसिस्टेंसी गॉट ब्रेक। नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग अगेन इन नवंबर। लेट्स होप इस टाइम हम कंप्लीट करें इस कंसिस्टेंसी को एंड पूरा नवंबर चैलेंज कर पाएँ। सो लेट्स डायरेक्टली जंप इन टू द टूडेज क्वेश्चन। डिलीट नोड्स फ्रॉम लिंक लिस्ट प्रेजेंट इन एरे। इट्स मीडियम क्वेश्चन। लेट्स start with this. Okay, so first time I think we are discussing a like linked list solution in this channel. So pay the attention with the struct definition here in the C++. We are doing the code. So in the C++, there is a struct. Struct is a structure of a class kind of structure, in which we can define a data structure, and linked list is a defined here. Linked list has some nodes and each node is defined in a list node struct. It has a value, it has a pointer to the next node, and whenever we call this list node with uh, empty one, then it will like empty arguments, then it will create a value with it will create a node with value 0, and it will create a next pointer to the null. Okay, and अगर हम इसमें next we will pass a value, then it will set that value, but next pointer will be null. And if we pass a value and next pointer both, then it will create a node with value x and next pointer pointing to the whatever we have given here. Great. So with this understanding, let's try to solve this question now. So let me grab my pen. Yeah, I hope you are seeing. You are given an integer. You are given an array of integers nums, and head of the linked list return the head of the modified linked list after removing all the nodes from the linked list have value nums. Okay, so let's understand from some examples. Okay, great. So here we have an example. We have a array nums 1 2 3, and we have a 1 2 3 4 5. Head is pointing to this first node, so you can say this is like head pointer we have, it's given, and then it is pointing to 2, then pointing to 3, up to 5, and if it is not there, it is pointing to the null. Okay, so it is saying we have to remove 1 because value is 1 and it is present in the array, then value is 2, it's present in the array, then value is 3, it's present in the array. Okay, great. So after that, remaining nodes are 4 5, and we have to return the list with the 4 5. Okay. So return type is list node star, means we have to return the pointer to that node. Okay, pointer to that node we have to return. Okay, remove the nodes with value 1 2 3. Understood? Okay, in example number 2, it's saying nums is 1. Okay, head is 1 2 1 2 1 2 1, something like that, and starting from here we have to remove 1 because it's present in nums. Okay, so we have to do some lookup here. Okay, so we have to delete this, we have to delete all ones because only one is present in the nums array, and all the 2's will be remaining here, and answer will be 2 2 2. Correct? Okay, great. Let's look at example number 3. Okay, in this example nums has a value 5, and none of the node has value 5, so none of the node is removed, and all of the linked list is preserved, so we are getting same as head. Same answer 1 2 3 4. No node has value 5. Okay, so let's quickly look up to some constraints here. So constraints is like 10 raised to power 5 nums of length. Each number can be like 10 raised to power 5, all elements in unique. Okay, this is something. Okay, to pay attention to unique. If it is not unique, then also we can solve. The number of nodes in this given list is 1 to 10 raised to power 5. Not different. Input generator says that there is at least one node in the linked list that has a value not present in nums. At least one node in the linked list that has a value. Okay, basically after that operation we will not get that all of the node will be removed and we will get null. Okay, this case will not happen. This point is explaining कि अपने पास एक ऐसा इनपुट होगा हमेशा ऑफ द लिंक लिस्ट जिसमें एक ना एक नोड ऐसा रहेगा जिसका वैल्यू नम्स एरे में नहीं प्रेजेंट है, सो वी डोंट हैव टू रिमूव दैट. ओके, सो with understanding of the question, let's understand how to solve it. We have solved the concepts. Okay, so one thing here we have to one thing here we to note that first observation is कि हमको lookup करना है. We have to do lookup in the nums array. So we have a nums array and इसमें हमको lookup करना है. Number 2 thing is हमको नोड को डिलीट करना है. ओके, नोड को डिलीट करना है. ग्रेट. और उसके आगे बढ़ जाना है. ठीक है, ठीक है. सो लुकअप करने के लिए वी कैन इफिशिएंटली लुकअप करने के लिए दो तरीके हैं. वन, वी कैन इटरेट एंड इटरेशन में लाइक ऑफ एन टाइम लगेगा एंड फॉर ईच नोड वी आर गेटिंग ऑफ एन टाइम. सो इट विल बी ऑफ एन एम where n is the number of elements in nums array and m is number of elements in node linked list. Okay, so it will be like how much? It will be like 10 raised to power 5 into 10 raised to power 5, which will give us TLE. Okay, great. So इसको तो नहीं कर सकते इंटरेसिव वे में. सेकेंड वे इज क्रिएटिंग ए मैप और हेज सेट. ओके, हेज सेट मान लो. सो हम एक सेट बनाएंगे. इस सेट में हम इस नंबर को डालेंगे एंड लुकअप कर लेंगे. दिस लुकअप इज ऑन एवरेज ऑर्डर ऑफ 1 एंड वर्स्ट केस में क्या होता है, ऑर्डर ऑफ log n. ओके, सो इन आवर टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी विल बिकम ऑर्डर ऑफ m log n, विच इज़ लाइक m हियर इज लिंक लिस्ट में कितने नोड है, n हियर इज लेंथ ऑफ नंबर्स. ओके, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज सोल्व लुकअप का. सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम इज नोड डिलीट करना हमको. ओके, ग्रेट. हाउ टू डिलीट सम नोड? सो लेट्स टेक सम एग्जांपल हियर. ओके, दिस इज आवर लिंक लिस्ट. some value x is here, it is pointing to some value y is here, it is pointing to some value z is here, and this is pointing to null. This is end of the link list. Okay, so we are given head pointer here. We are starting from here. So there is two condition. One, either we have to remove this node, either we don't have to remove this node. So let's take first example. Okay, don't remove. Okay, when we do not have to remove this node, what we will do? We will do कि we will check for the next. Okay, check for the next pointer, and let's say we have to remove y. So do not remove x, remove y. This is the case. Next pointer we have to remove. Okay, so it's easy. We have to like directly point x pointer का next to the y का next. Okay, and that's okay. And we will start checking with z. We will go ahead, we will ignore this y because we have deleted it. Okay, that's how we can go in the linked list. Second thing is we have to remove x. Remove x node. Okay. Then what we will do? Oh, great. We have to remove the x node, then this node will be deleted and this head pointer will be pointed to y. Great. So we will move the head ahead and this is deleted. Okay. Oh, so some cases we have to keep the head, some cases we have to move the head. So there is two cases. In one case, first case head को वहीं रखना है अपन को. Second case में move head pointer, h pointer लिख देता हूँ, h pointer, and यहाँ पे do not move HPTR. Okay, so this is the two cases we have. Great. Can we solve it? So all the linked list question, if you know the trick, we can solve some of them by using a dummy node. Okay, so it will create a illusion that we are keeping a node, let's say here, which is a dummy node. Okay, and this node is pointing to this x node. Okay, some value random 0 anywhere. Okay, फर्क नहीं पड़ता कुछ भी value. So this dummy node का pointer always create a illusion that we have to remove the next node only. If we have to remove x, we don't have to move dummy. We just have to move the dummy का pointer ahead. If we don't have to remove x, we are fine with that. Okay, and at the end we will return this dummy का next pointer, which is like head for us. Okay. both of the problems can be solved with a dummy pointer. Okay, so let me walk you through these two examples here, so it will be easy for you to understand what I have explained now. Okay, so पहला example लेते हैं. We are given 1 2 3 4 and 5, and this 5 pointer is pointing to null. Great. अभी क्या करते हैं, we will create a dummy node here. इसका dummy नाम दे देते हैं इसको, ये है dummy pointer अपना. Okay, this is pointing to here, and we already have a head pointer which is pointing to here. Great. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, now what we will do, we will start with dummy. Okay, dummy का तो कुछ देखना है नहीं हमको, right? तो हम अपने पास 2 पॉइंटर रखते हैं, ठीक है. 1 pointer we will keep here is current pointer, from where we have to check this is our previous pointer, ठीक है. We will check for current pointer. Do we have to delete? Yes, we have to delete. Okay, so delete कैसे करना है अभी, delete करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, we will move this current pointer to the next one. First of all we will do this movement of this current pointer to next one. current pointer यहाँ आ गया. Okay, and then previous का जो next है, ये जो link है हमारा, this link will be gone to current. Okay, so let me create this link with this. Okay, so this link will be this link will be 2. Okay, ये हो गया अपना previous and next का फंडा, because we have to delete 1. Okay, great. So let's go ahead. अभी क्या करना है, करंट का चेक करेंगे फिर से. करंट इज 2, वी हैव टू डिलीट करंट. करेक्ट, ये करंट को डिलीट करना है, करंट को आगे बढ़ा देंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स रिमूव दिस एंड लेट मी चेंज द कलर टू ग्रीन बैक, एंड वी आर मूविंग करंट पॉइंटर टू हियर. करंट पॉइंटर यहाँ आ गया. नाउ व्हाट विल डू, प्रीवियस का नेक्स्ट करंट पे लेके आना है. ठीक है, इजी. कैसे लेके आएंगे, ये डमी का पॉइंटर 3 पे आ गया. डन. उसके बाद क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट करंट को आगे बढ़ा देंगे. सिंपल. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव करंट अहेड. आई एम यूजिंग द सेम कलर हियर, डजंट मैटर. ओके, सो करंट को आगे बढ़ाया. अब करंट को यहाँ पे डिलीट करना है 4 को, नहीं. ओके, नाउ इज द केस, डिलीट नहीं करना है. सो प्रीवियस क्या हो गया हमारा, प्रीवियस को आगे मूव करना है अभी. ठीक है, तो वी विल मूव द प्रीवियस पॉइंटर टू हियर, करंट के पास. सो प्रीवियस विल बी हियर एंड करंट विल बी मूव्ड अहेड. समझ आया? ठीक है, डमी अपनी जगह पे ही है. डमी इज पॉइंटिंग टू 3. ओके, 3 वाज डिलीटेड. ओके ओके, माय बैड, 3 वाज डिलीटेड ना, 3 डिलीट हो गया था. इट इज पॉइंटिंग टू करंट 4. Okay, we have moved our previous pointer to 4 and current pointer to 5. Then we don't have to remove the 5, so we will make sure that our previous will go to 5 and current will go to 8. So when previous will go to 5, it will be here, current will be null, and when current is null we will stop this calculation. Okay, क्योंकि अब कुछ बचा नहीं है, क्योंकि करंट को ही हम देख रहे थे, राइट. ओके, लेट्स टेक एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 इज वेल. ओके, इसको थोड़ा क्विकली समराइज कर देंगे अपन. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 इज सिंपल. नन ऑफ द नोड विल बी डिलीटेड, सो सम डमी नोड विल बी एडेड हियर, डी. ओके, एंड प्रीवियस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, करंट हियर, देन देर इज नो डिलीशन, करंट विल गो अहेड, प्रीवियस गो अहेड, देन करंट गो अहेड, प्रीवियस गो अहेड, प्रीवियस अहेड, करंट अहेड, प्रीवियस हियर, करंट goes to null, and this empty dummy dot next is 1. We will return this complete array. Okay, so let's take example number 2. यहाँ पे अपने पास नम्स दिया है 1. ओके, सो हम यहाँ पे ही बना देते हैं. ओके, लेट्स से, तो हमें हमने डमी नोड बनाया. दिस इज पॉइंटेड टू डमी. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज पॉइंटिंग टू दिस हेड नोड. ठीक है, हमारा प्रीवियस पॉइंट, अब लेट मी चेंज द कलर. सो आवर प्रीवियस पॉइंटर इज हियर, करंट पॉइंटर इज हियर. डू वी नीड टू डिलीट करंट? Yes. Whenever we need to delete current, what we will do, we will move current ahead and previous pointer, this previous pointer to current. Okay, so let me move this previous pointer to this current. Okay, great. Do we have to move previous as well? I don't think so, no, because maybe this can be deleted. Okay, so we will go ahead and we will check, do we need to delete C, this to node number 2? No. Okay, so we have to move P and C, both of them. And how we will do it? We will move like this. We will move previous pointer here, current pointer here. Okay, now do we need to delete current pointer? Yes. Then we will move this current pointer here and previous next to this one. Do we need to delete this? No. Then previous to here and current to ahead, something like that. After that we will be linking this to this and this is to null. It will give us the answer. I hope you understood this solution. Still not? Then you will be understood by looking at the code. Okay, so let's quickly code this solution. Let me take a set. So here we have an ordered set of integer. Let's take it, my name is my set. Okay, and we will iterate through nums array. So each number in nums, what we will do, we will set in my set dot insert number. Okay, now we will create a dummy node, list node star. Let's make it dummy. Okay, how we will create a node? New list node, and we will provide a value which is like 0 and next pointer to head. This is our dummy node is created, and we will create 2 pointers, node star previous, which is like a dummy, and list node star current pointer, which is at head to start with. Okay, so we will check if current pointer is there, we have to do something, otherwise we don't have to do something. And at the end we have to return dummy ka next pointer, next two pointers. Great. Okay, so there is two condition. If we found this current key value in this our set, and otherwise not found. Okay, so how to check that? My set dot find करंट का वैल्यू चेक करो कि है या नहीं. So not equal to my set dot end, that means we found this array, this value in this our set, or else we don't found. Okay, चलो अभी वापस आते हैं कि अगर हमको वैल्यू मिल गई, okay, means we have to delete this. So this is scenario of delete current node, और यहाँ पे do not delete current. तो डिलीट नहीं करते तो क्या करते हैं? मूव बोथ प्रीवियस एंड करंट. ओके, सो इट्स फेयरली इजी. कैसे करेंगे? प्रीवियस को बोलेंगे करंट पे आ जाओ. ओके, और करंट को बोलेंगे आगे चले जाओ, करंट का नेक्स्ट पे मूव कर देंगे इसको. ठीक है, लेट से डिलीट करना है हमको करंट नोड. सो करंट नोड डिलीट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? करंट को पहले तो आगे भेज देंगे क्योंकि इसका कोई काम नहीं है अभी. करंट का नेक्स्ट. ओके, एंड दूसरा क्या करेंगे? प्रीवियस को करंट पे पॉइंट कर देंगे. प्रीवियस का नेक्स्ट पॉइंटर जो होगा, प्रीवियस को मूव नहीं करना है, प्रीवियस का नेक्स्ट पॉइंटर को करंट पे मूव कर देंगे. दैट्स इट. ओके, लेट्स रन दिस सॉल्यूशन. There is some error. Unordered set of integer my set. That's the, I think, syntax right. insert spelling mistake है क्या? OR, my bad, ordered. Yeah, all three test cases are passed. Let's submit the solution. And voila, great. So we are starting with this streak now. आज एक दिन की streak हो गई again, and we will try to complete this November Leetcode daily challenge. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it interesting. We will solve more interesting problem in November, and we will keep doing that. Bye. Happy coding.